पहुँचे जिधर गूंजे वही अल्लाह अकबर की सदा, अल्लाह अकबर की सदा, अल्लाह अकबर की सदा।
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Viewers, we are here at the 37th annual Ansarullah Ijtima. You can see around, if Wasim Islam Sahab can show you around, it is almost the break time here. People are getting ready to have their lunch break. The competitions are going on. And now we are ready. You can see that we have exhibition here. Please follow me. Let's see inside what are the exhibits are showing us. So we'll go and find out. So let us see. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Are you explaining here what is on display?
Sure. If you look on the other side, I'll show you that.
Yes. Okay. Looks like these are tabarrukat of the Prophet Musa Islam. That is going to be very interesting. I'm really anxious to see what is here.
Go ahead.
So please let us know.
Okay, so both boxes are the piece of the bird at the Prophet Musa.
MashaAllah.
And this is the hair of the bird.
Of the bird.
Yeah, this one.
Any beard. Okay,
Yeah,
MashaAllah.
You can read that. And this one is the towel of when when he used the mehndi, right?
Okay.
That he used this towel.
Oh, that is the piece of towel. Okay.
And this is a piece of when Prophet passed away. That time he was wearing the kameez inside, right?
Okay.
This is part of that piece.
MashaAllah. So, are we doing any effort to preserve this? I can see that they are in very kind of very dilapidated shape.
Yeah, exactly. The thing is that like when my grandfather, other people, they have it, right? They never keep in the box or something.
Yes, yeah.
That's the conditions like that, right? After that, when we got this, so then we put in the boxes. So after that is the same condition. Nothing changed. So alhamdulillah, everything is not.
So this is your family thing.
Yeah.
This is from
So
your
my
personal
grandfather,
collection.
Okay.
Okay.
His wasiyat number in case. So we
Okay.
got from him actually everything.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Do you plan to kind of restore these tabarrukat?
So we already actually put in the boxes. So
Yeah.
for them,
Yeah.
this is airproof. So there's no air inside
Yeah.
the box. So
Okay.
kind of everything safe, right? So after like 30 years, before 30 years, condition was same like that. So after 30 years, same condition, nothing changed. Because we put in the boxes and on the glass on top.
Okay, okay. But this is a great treasure, and I congratulate you for having all this and preserving all this. I would suggest that we should look into because these days the scientific technologies have developed so far that we can restore them, whatever, because it is something we should preserve for the next generations. Thank you very much. And your name is?
Rauf Ahmed.
Rauf Ahmed Saab. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Are you going to tell us? No. So this looks like a handwriting of the Hazrat Khalifatul Masih al-Awwal Maulana Nuruddin Sahib Radiyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. So if you can show closely his own blessed handwriting here. Jazakallah. So these are the tabarrukat of. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Ravi sahab, kya haal hai aapka? Very good. Are you going to introduce us? We are recording it for the Ansarullah live stream.
We have
Shah Rukh Saab is our beloved friend and Rabi from Calgary. MashaAllah.
we have two turbans, Kullas of Hazrat Muslim Maud anhu. We have his kurta, we have his shalwar kameez,
MashaAllah.
we have his handkerchief. This is an Eid he gave to one of his granddaughters, and she gave it to us.
MashaAllah.
This is an ittar that he used to use,
Okay, the perfume.
and that's his hair.
Okay, so
the-
what is the background of and how these are collected?
So these are collected. All these barakat, people have them. They're all verified by Rabba. This was actually Hazrat Muslim Mawitano's daughter, she lives in Toronto.
Okay.
And his granddaughter, she lives here too. So they give us most of these things. Then we have the socks of Hazrat.
I know that Huzur used to make his own perfumes.
He used to
He
use
was very expert in that.
Yeah. So here we have a glass of Hazrat Muslim Mawitano. This was given to by Hazrat Ibrahim, who was who was a companion of the Promised Messiah. His daughter gave it to one of the people here, Khalid Zafar, who works in the mission as a Waqf Zindagi. A stick of Hazrat Muslim Mawitano. His granddaughter has it. Socks of Huzur. His granddaughter has it. Shoes. These are some of the letters of Huzur that he actually wrote to one of his obviously followers, and their children are here, so they have these right here.
Okay.
Yeah. And then we have here, we have a suit of Hazrat Ahmad Jan Radiallahu anha. Suit of Ahmad Jan Radiallahu anha from 1948.
Okay.
This is the pandan of Hazrat Ahmad Jan Radiallahu anha.
Mashallah.
And this is a quilt of Hazrat Ahmad Jan Radiallahu anha. Then we have a Holy Quran of Hazrat Ghulam Rasul Sahib Rajikri Radiallahu anha.
Okay.
Yeah, this is Quran. Bakapuri Sahib Radiallahu anhu's
And these are handwritten
his notes, his own notes. Yeah, you can see his signature there as well.
Mashallah.
Then we have a cloth of Maulvi Muhammad Hussain Sahib, who was known as
Sabz Pagdi Wale.
It was a small cloth of his.
Yeah.
Someone just brought this, so we were able to get it.
I had the honor of meeting him.
Meeting him,
and
achha,
he
achha.
used to hold the green handkerchief as well.
Okay. And these are cups of Mia Bashir Ahmed Sahib Radiallahu anhu.
Achha, mashallah.
So we have Bashir Nasr Sahib here, who's over there on that side.
yeah.
He gave it to him in 1959.
Mashallah.
These are handkerchiefs of the Khidmat Masih Salih Salamullah Ta'ala. So one of our members used to work for PIA. He actually received Huzur when Huzur came back from one of his tours.
Okay.
And Huzur had used these on his flight.
Okay.
And these are some of the handkerchiefs of Huzur as well.
The good old days of PIA.
Yeah. Some of the things we got, there's no labels because people just brought them like last minute.
Okay.
This is a Shirwani of Khidmat Masih Khamis, Reda Brasl Aziz. It's a tracksuit of Khidmat Masih Rabi Rahimullah Ta'ala. Here what we have is original manuscripts of Huzur's writings of Khalifa Rabi Rahimullah Ta'ala. Chaudhry Hadili Sahib, who was once his PS, has these. This right there is a letter that Huzur wrote to all the Jamaat for Eid.
1988.
Yeah, and
After Huzur has
migrated.
Yeah.
These are some of Huzur's notes for his durus.
Mashallah.
And here is an original manuscript of the Nazm Ayuddin.
Okay. In Huzur's own writing.
Own writings. And they are in Maghrib se jaane wala.
Okay. Mashallah. And what is this letter here?
This is a Nazm in Punjabi. Also,
okay.
you know.
Okay.
Mil baithe hain.
So
Then we have here, socks of Khidmat Masih Rabi Rahimullah Ta'ala that his niece gave us.
okay.
A magnifying glass that Chaudhry Hadili Sahib said when he was the private secretary, Huzur had given him.
Okay.
And it was actually a gift from someone to Huzur. And then Huzur, it was in Huzur's possession and Huzur gave it to him. These are walking shoes of Huzur.
Okay.
His sister gave them to us. This is a piece of cloth that his grandson gave to one of our murabbis. This is a piece of cloth where Huzur passed away, the shirt he was wearing.
Okay.
This is the piece of cloth.
Rabi
Rahimahullah.
Okay. And these are also
His turban
Okay.
and his shalwar kameez.
Okay.
Sorry.
Mashallah.
And then we have shoes of Khalifa Rabi Rahmatullah right here.
Can you show them closely, please?
Yeah, the shoes of Khalifa Rabi Rahmatullah, his watch,
Okay.
Sherwani, his turban, and this is tracksuit when I used to be Sadr Khudam Lambi.
Okay. Mashallah. They are very well preserved. Mashallah.
Here we have a section of Khalifa Khamis.
Okay.
So we have his turban. So this Sherwani is actually from the early days of Huzur.
Okay.
So if I show you the picture, you'll recognize the photo.
Okay.
And this is shalwar kameez, his handkerchief. Let me show you the picture. Sorry, I'm just gonna pull it up.
Yeah, no, that's okay.
So this one right here. Is,
Okay, so Wasim Sahib, if you can show the actual picture and mashallah.
and then this is an iqtibas of Muslim al-Islam regarding the barakat or relics of holy people.
Okay,
In which Hazur says, sorry. Regarding those
so
who are
if you
close to
can read for our viewers.
हजूर फरमाते हैं ऐसा ही उनके हाथों में और पैरों में और तमाम बदन में एक बरकत दी जाती है जिसकी वजह से उसका पहना हुआ कपड़ा भी मुतबरक हो जाता है और अक्सर औक़ात किसी शख्स को छूना या उसको हाथ लगाना उसके अमराज रूहानी या जिस्मानी के इजाला का मूजब ठहरता है. So Hazur says that similarly their hands, their feet and their entire body are granted a blessing as a result of which even the garment they wear becomes a blessed. Oftentimes their touching or placing a hand on someone causes the eradication of that person's spiritual or physical maladies.
Mashallah.
So this is-
Jazakumullah. So let's see
As a Muslim, there was, I think, I don't know if you saw the letter or not.
the letter of
Was Muslim
we
Islam.
have seen some writings, but if you want to
I'll explain if you.
yeah.
This is actually a plate of Hazrat Muslim Islam that Hazrat al-Mu'mineen had given to Mumtaz Hussain Sahib, who used to be our cook here for a long time, worked in Langar Khana.
Okay.
So his family has this from Rawah. That's a letter that Hazur wrote to one of his companions on the occasion of his wedding.
Okay.
That's a letter from 1907.
Mashallah.
Then we have his hair and
Okay. Mashallah. So, Rabi sir, do you want to walk us through?
I don't know anything about that.
Yeah. Jazakallah for introducing us to all these beautiful relics and giving us some background. Jazakallah. Thank you very much. So let's see what else do we have here. This sounds like a Bathbazi corner here. So let's see if someone can explain. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. So who is in charge here of this corner? Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. So let us know about what are you.
Okay. So this is Kahoot.
Okay.
And we have this here is Sahaba's exhibition.
Yeah.
And the game is actually based on the exhibition.
Okay.
Those folks who are actually visiting that.
Okay.
When they come here, they can test their knowledge.
Okay.
So that is the one.
Okay.
And here we have a Bathbazi program.
Okay.
So it's a we develop right now people are not able to remember all of the Hazur's and
Couplets, yeah.
couplets and all that stuff. So I developed this game.
Okay.
So this game has this tendency is the ability to elevate the levels of people
Okay.
from invoice to an expert and professional.
Okay.
Where they can so the first level is that there are couplets from Hazur Anwar, Hazrat Masih Maud al-Islam, Hazrat Khalifatul Masih, Hazrat Muslim Maud
Okay,
Raziyallahu
from Kalam
and our
Mahmood.
Kalam Mahmood Duryadan. And from those, the first game is that you read out the couplet
Yeah.
and the other person has to guess and has to tell what is the source.
Okay.
Is this couplet from Hazrat Masih Maud al-Islam or from Hazrat Muslim
so
Maud?
you read this couplet to someone and the other person has to guess
So
who's
this is a game, a deck game. For example, when you're traveling and you have time and you're in a car, everybody has got some cards
Okay, okay.
and they can start playing it. For example, take this one
all right.
and
Okay.
take this one and take this
Okay.
one. And when I read this, okay, I got this page. It says नूरे फुरका है जो सब नूरों से अचला निकला, पाक वो जिससे ये अनवार का दरिया निकला.
So I would say that this is Hazrat Promised Messiah alayhi salatu wassalam.
Yeah, this is from Durasami, and
Yeah.
you're right. You got it. Now it's your turn.
Okay.
And when you read out,
Okay. So I would read from any of these.
yeah, any
I
of
will
these.
read that सुरैया से ये फिर ईमान लाएं, ये फिर वापस तेरा कुरान लाएं.
Yeah,
Mashallah.
this is Kalam
Correct answer.
That's it. This is
Mashallah.
how when you you finish this deck, you will almost remember
Okay.
most of that.
Yeah.
The
No.
second level is letters.
Okay. So you need to.
Now you are aware of most of these. So this
Yeah.
is 300.
Yeah.
This is the deck of 300 couplets.
Okay.
So now you can remember most of
So
them. Now
now
you start with the letters. Haruf
Okay.
tahajji.
Okay.
You pick one letter of
and then you have to read
Yeah.
a couplet starting from that letter.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
And the next is that I have made some. That's a very thoughtful. That I have made some pictures, and you have to pick one card, and based on the picture, you have to
say
tell us about the some
couplet.
of Hussein Sam or Kalame Mahmood or
Okay.
Quredan.
Excellent.
And this is a new version that I developed. It's for those who cannot read Urdu.
Okay.
So it's an English
with
transliteration.
the English transliteration. Okay.
Yeah, so and I think it will help them because when they are reading it, most of us are also able to read Quran.
Yeah.
And English, Urdu is also similar language, so they can guess it and it will help them. So exactly
Excellent.
this is the same, but it's a different version.
Excellent.
So that's how.
Excellent. Jazakumullah. That's very innovative. I hope that our kids and the young Khudam can benefit from that. Jazakallah. May Allah bless you. Assalamu alaikum. So let's see. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. So let us know what are you exhibiting here? What are you displaying here?
So these are
And
the
here is the
Yeah.
displays behind are also related to this one?
exactly.
Okay,
So basically, we are exhibiting the different kinds of flyers
Okay.
that we distribute during our. The Tabligh exhibitions.
Okay.
We also have our Tabligh van. We take them to different areas for on a Tabligh trips.
Okay.
So but these are the major or selected flyers that we keep in our van or in our Tabligh stalls.
Okay.
Some of them, these are not all of them, but some of them as an example.
So have you kind of categorized them that what kind of audience you want to present which ones particularly, or they are just all random
No,
generally?
we have categorized them, and then we decide if we are going to the area where a majority is French speaking, then we keep more French flyers. If the area is where South Asian community is living, like Urdu, Punjabi community is living, we keep more of those. If the area where people are English speaking, then we keep more
Okay.
English language flyers. So depending upon the area, we keep
and the potential audience.
we keep pretty much all, but we keep more for that local language which is widely spoken in that area.
We have in English, we have in
English, Arabic, Persian, French,
Okay. Okay.
Punjabi. We have
Okay.
Bengali, Bangla also.
Okay.
Pretty much in every major language that is being spoken here in Canada, we do have flyers.
So these are all the various literature which is being used in the Tabligh
Exhibition, Tabligh stalls.
exhibitions and stalls.
And these are all free. We give them for
Okay.
free.
All right.
And then this is, we keep this, this is our new 4 million flyer distribution campaign.
Okay.
So we keep this flyer with us so people can take a picture and then register. Well, this is for
That's
members,
for the
Jamaat members.
volunteers, yeah.
So they can basically dedicate
Their time and efforts, yeah.
effort to distribute flyers to
Jazakallah.
achieve 4 million target per
Jazakallah.
year.
So what is being displayed here on the screen?
So here there are different, flea market, different Tabligh stalls,
Okay.
some humanity first, exhibition and all
Okay.
that. So these are all Tabligh related events
All right.
that has happened
And-
this year and last year. And then these are selected pictures during those events. So
Okay.
we have taken that.
And these are happening all around
All around Canada.
the
So
country.
these pictures are from Canada wide.
Yeah.
Not just Ontario, Calgary, British Columbia, Manitoba.
Okay.
So basically, whoever region have an event, they share a picture with us.
Yeah.
And then we selected some of those pictures from,
Okay.
from those pictures. So these are our Tabligh van trips.
Okay.
We have taken this Tabligh van to Montreal, to Ottawa, to Quebec, and all of the Southern Ontario area
So
this
I
year.
can see that this van has messages of Islam. So how many vans do we have? One or
We only
or
have
one?
one van
Yeah.
centrally.
Okay.
But we encourage other regions to have their own van locally, or at least they can
Okay.
they can print flyers and then use their personal van and then
Okay.
temporarily, those magnet flyers they can put on their vans temporarily.
So you have
but this
those-
kind of van we only have one.
You have those messages which you one can take
Correct.
and put on their own.
Yes,
Okay.
so we have magnetic flyers,
Okay.
which can stick to any man.
All right,
Yeah,
okay,
so yeah, they can either take from us or they can have locally printed. But we have a design that we can give them, so they
Okay.
can print them accordingly.
Okay. So there used to be another trailer as well. Have we retired it? or-
Initially we had a trailer.
Okay.
Then that trailer had a lot of problem in
Okay.
parking and backing
Okay.
up. So we basically no longer use that
Okay,
much.
all right.
So from trailer we moved to van.
This is more
Yeah.
efficient.
More efficient, easy to handle, easy to
Okay.
drive.
Okay.
And then very.
All right. Jazakumullah asal jaza. And your good name is?
My name is Fareed
Fareed
Wasim.
Saab. Fareed Wasim Saab. Thank you very much.
Jazakumullah. Thank you.
Jazakallah. Yeah. So let's go and see what else we have here on display. Let's go see. These are, looks like these are pictures of the Khulafa of the Hazrat Masih Maud Islam. And we have here the Sahaba Rizwanullah alayhim ajma'in. There is a brief life history of the Sahaba and their pictures on display here. So let's move on to the next side here. Hazrat Nawab Muhammad Ali Khan Sahib Razillah Ta'ala Anhu, Hazrat Pir Sirajul Haq Nomani Sahib. So these are again images and the life history of Sahaba Karam. We have the picture of Hazrat Sahibzada Sayyid Abdullah Latif Sahib Shaheed. So lots of very valuable information for the Jamaat members and young Khuddam. This side we have some events of mulaqat of Ansarullah office bearers with Hazrat Amirul Mu'mineen Khalifatul Masih al-Khamis Sayyidullah Ta'ala bin Nasr Aziz, and these are some images of the Ansarullah Ijtima. Again here we have a large group photo of one of the refresher courses of Ansarullah. Again some images of the Ijtimaat of Ansarullah. Another Alme Nami group photo. And here are some statistics of Ansarullah contributions in Waqf-e-Jadid and Tehreek-e-Jadid. So lots of very interesting information here. Here are some guests visiting Ansarullah Canada and some happy moments with the guests here. Now these we can see here some very interesting bicycles here. So looks like that this stall is encouraging the bike riding here. So let's see if someone is here to introduce. Are you showing us here? Who is in charge of this stall? All right. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Are you manning this stall? Let us know what are you displaying here and what are you promoting?
We have just put up different types of bikes here.
Okay.
So you can see
what
the
are
road
different?
bikes and mountain bike.
So this first one is called road bike.
Road bike.
So why is this for beginners? Why is this one called road bike? Why is this not a road bike?
Yeah, so it's depends. Like the road is, you need more distance you want to cover.
Okay.
So it has more gears. The tires are more slimmer.
So it is
so
for
you can go
longer
faster,
distances.
and you can, with elevation, you can switch the gears.
Okay.
And
All right.
mountain bike, the tires are bigger, so
Okay.
because you're gonna go on stones and stuff.
Okay.
So
All right.
for that you need a bigger tire.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's not gonna go that fast, but it's
Okay.
like different type of more jumping.
It has
and
more grip
Yes.
to that rough terrain. Okay.
Yeah. So we are encouraging.
And this is
them-
also a road bike.
Yes, this is also a road bike.
Okay.
Yeah, it says slimmer tires
Okay.
and more gears and.
So
yeah.
you are not promoting those electric bikes we have.
Not
see
really.
everywhere.
We want people to be healthy and like
not
ride a bike
rely
instead
on
of
the batteries.
batteries.
Okay.
Yeah. And
All right.
there are some signs like how to use.
Okay.
When you ride a bike, they should be also very mindful about the safety.
Yes.
So when they are on the roads, they should know like how to handle the traffic or
Okay.
moving cars around them. So that's like the safety is the big thing when you are doing a road biking, right?
Okay.
So there are different signs here, so they have to be mindful when they are on the road. So,
Excellent. Jazakallah.
and this is our club and the
Muslim Elders
Association Club. So we
Cycling.
have over 200 members of this club right now.
Okay.
And we are actively promoting cycling within
Okay.
our association in
Okay.
Ansarullah. So we had so far 2 challenges of 600 kilometer each.
Okay.
So here are those people who have won that platinum challenge. They did at least 600 kilometer.
So these need to be done in one go or over
within 20 days.
Within 20 days. Okay. Okay.
So they have completed more than 600 kilometers.
Okay. Okay. MashaAllah. And what are these gear here?
Yeah, so this is all different equipment, helmet, pump
Okay.
to fill up the air. There are some special shoes for road biking, so you
Okay.
can put cleats on and it will be like more power
Okay.
and more smoother ride.
Water bottle.
Yes, water bottle, some extra clothing when
Yeah.
you are riding a bike, paddles, how to hang. Yeah.
All right. Okay. Very good. And your name is?
My name is Abid.
Abid Sahab, Jazakallah for very valuable information and
Yeah.
introducing us to your stall. Thank
Yeah,
you very
thank
much.
you.
Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. So this stall is showing the Al-Wasiyat and we have some information on the Ishaat department of Ansarullah. Their monthly publication Nahnu Ansarullah and some other books which Ansarullah is printing locally. So then again here we have some displays of the humanitarian work Majlis Ansarullah is doing and Hazrat Amirul Momineen's guidance for the Ansarullah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. So the guidance of Hazur Anwar is saying that Majlis Ansarullah Canada should carry out humanitarian projects in Africa too, like funding the building of water pumps and model villages, which Ansarullah Canada is trying to implement and taking lead in doing all that. Hazrat Masih Maud alayhi salam's फारसी कपलेट मरा मकसूदो मतलूबो तमन्ना खिदमत खल्क अस्त हमी कारम हमी बारम हमी रस्मम हमी राहम. That my purpose, yearning and heartfelt desire is to serve humanity. This is my job, this is my faith, this is my habit, and this is my way of life. So that summarizes the displays here. I hope you would have learned something, and if you are around, you should find time and visit this marquee here. Jazakumullah asnal jaza.
पहुँचे जिधर गूंजे वही अल्लाह अकबर की सदा, अल्लाह अकबर की सदा, अल्लाह अकबर की सदा.